Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how you can easily change the name of your city in SimCity BuildIt. If you want to give your city a fresh new name, then the process is quite easy, so let's jump in. First of all, open the SimCity BuildIt application on your mobile device, and once you are in the main screen, tap on the little star kind of an icon at the top left corner, which is this little pink one over here, and you will then be able to see the description for your city. Now tap on the little pencil icon right next to the name of your city at the top, and then go ahead and erase the current one. Now enter a new name for your city and then click on Done. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change the name of your city. Now your SimCity BuildIt has a new identity with the updated name, whether you are just starting or have been playing for a while. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more SimCity BuildIt tips and tricks. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.